Unlock the power of Nexmo communication while keeping your accounts locked down tight. Your Nexmo API key and secret are the keys to your kingdom of communication services. Think of them as your personal password for accessing powerful tools like sending SMS messages, making voice calls, and more through Nexmo's robust platform. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through using these crucial credentials securely and effectively. First, let's locate your API key and secret key. Log into your Nexmo dashboard. Navigate to the API settings or credentials section. Here, you'll find your unique API key, which is a public identifier, and your secret key, which is your private, highly sensitive authentication token. Treat your secret key with the utmost caution, as it grants full access to your Nexmo account. Security is paramount. Never, ever hardcode your API key and secret directly into your client-side code or commit them to a public repository. This is like leaving your house keys under your doormat for anyone to find. Instead, store them securely on your server, ideally within environment variables or a secure configuration management system. When making requests to Nexmo's API, you'll use these credentials for authentication. This process ensures that only authorized applications can access your Nexmo services. Many programming languages provide libraries that simplify this. Typically, you'll include your API key and secret in the request headers or as parameters, depending on the specific API endpoint you're using. For example, if you're using Python, your code might involve importing a Nexmo library and then initializing it with your API key and secret. Similarly, in Node.js, you'd configure your Nexmo client with these credentials. The exact implementation will vary, but the principle remains the same. Use these keys responsibly and securely. To further enhance security, consider implementing IP whitelisting on your server. If your Nexmo integrations are coming from fixed IP addresses, regularly review your Nexmo dashboard for any suspicious activity. And when you rotate your API keys, ensure you update them across all your applications simultaneously to avoid service disruptions. By understanding and implementing these best practices, you can confidently leverage Nexmo's powerful communication APIs, knowing your credentials are safe and your services are secure. Happy coding!